morning, ma'am.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Jashitaram, Sasya Syamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram. Shubhrajyotsna pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita drumadala shobhini, Suhasini sumadhura bhashini, Sukhadam varadam mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Ma'am, can I tell the thought for the day, ma'am? Varshita. Can I tell, ma'am? Ma'am, Varshita.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Satvik,
Vaishnavi,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, Varshita.
Will you fight like this in the morning?
Varshita, you have
From
to
Monday,
raise hand.
from Monday, we will do one thing. We will allot the names. For example, 31 students. Right? 1, 2, 3 roll numbers. Monday. 4th, 5th, 6th, Wednesday. I mean, from Tuesday we have class, right? Like that, it will go on. Okay? Did you understand the plan?
Yes, ma'am.
So that you need not fight like that in the morning. Okay, Varshita, go on.
Yes, ma'am. Slow down and enjoy life. It's not only the scenery you miss by going fast. You also miss the sense of where you are going and why.
Next.
Ma'am, Satvik, ma'am, I'm
Vaishnavi,
telling.
ma'am.
Okay, Satvak.
We do not have control over what happens to us in life, but we do have control over how we can choose to respond.
Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am. It is not hard to make decisions when you know what your values are.
Okay, enough. All of you open grammar book. We were doing in the middle of verbs exercise. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to finish the next lesson also for FA2 portion. FA3.
Ma'am, for FA3, is there Google Forms and oral test also, ma'am?
Google Forms.
Ma'am, only Google Forms?
Yeah, how like FA1, FA2.
Ma'am, then we should post the videos of question answers, no, ma'am, without seeing.
That we will let you know. Oh,
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
grammar, right? One second.
Ma'am, literature book.
Yeah, literature we will do later. Right now we don't have. After this grammar, I will start literature.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in Google Forms will the question answers also come, ma'am?
Just like FA1, FA2.
Okay, ma'am.
No more changes. Yeah, we started that transitive and intransitive. May I help you?
Ma'am, your screen share is stuck, ma'am. Ma'am, your screen share is stuck, ma'am.
How many people will say, ma? One person if you say it's enough, no? Yeah, let's revise what are main verbs and helping verbs. Sharwani, can you please explain? Sharwani, where are you? The class has started. Chaitra, can you explain what are main verbs and helping verbs? Please turn on your video. Sohan, Pranavi, Naina, Sharwani.
Ma'am, this is
Pranavi.
Chaitra. Ma'am, main verbs are action words, ma'am. Helping words are is and the do.
The is a helping verb. An is a helping verb.
No, ma'am.
Then
Helping words are comes before the verb, ma'am.
before the main verb. Isn't
Main
it?
verb. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are helping verbs action words?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, main verbs are action words. Helping verbs only help the main verbs to give a meaning to the sentence. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's come to transitive and intransitive verbs. Do anyone remember what are transitive and intransitive? Charvani, when I was asking question, where did you disappear?
No, ma'am.
Charvani,
Ma'am, Abhinay.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Ma'am, Abhinay, can I say?
Shita, ma'am.
yeah, Abhinaya, come on, tell me what are transitive
Yes,
and
ma'am. Transitive verb means anything that have an object, ma'am.
very good.
Intransitive means no object, ma'am.
Let's revise once again. Those
Without
those who didn't remember, let's revise once again. Transitive and intransitive verbs. All of you, those who didn't understand in the last class, please concentrate now. How many participants? Only 21. Saturday, usually the present absentees are more. Okay. Read this
I'm only-
sentences.
Ma'am,
Mayank,
only 20.
yeah, please stop. Mayank threw the ball. Radhika loves the puppies. These sentences have an object. That is, the underlined words are object. What is an object? An object is a person or a thing. In this Mayank case, the ball is a thing. Here, in Radhika loves the puppies, it's an animal. An object is a person or a thing that receives the action of the verbs. Through. Mayank threw the ball. Who receives the action? The ball is receiving. Here,
ball.
yeah, Radhika loves the puppies. Who is receiving the love? The verb love.
Puppies. Puppies.
Peace.
Okay. The verbs that have objects are transitive, and the verbs which do not have object. For example, she laughed aloud. That's it. The only person involved in this action is she. Here, the trees are moving in the breeze. The only person, the only thing which is involved in moving is the verb. That is trees. So there is no object in that. Okay, verbs that do not have objects are called intransitive verbs. Ashit Virat, say the first thing.
Yes, ma'am. Mayank threw the ball.
Mayank threw the ball. Why are you reading, ma? A, B,
She laughed aloud.
no, ma. We are doing the exercises. Ashit Virat. We finished. I read these 4 sentences. That means it is done. Now we have to start exercises. Where are you still sleeping mode?
Birds fly.
Transitive or intransitive?
Transitive.
Transitive. Where is the object in birds fly? Can you explain? Ashit Virat, that means you didn't concentrate and you didn't understand the concept behind it. Nobody will talk in the middle when I am discussing with somebody. Ashit Virat, I said object transitive, no object intransitive. Did you understand that concept?
Yes,
If you don't understand, then you should ask me. If you did understand, birds fly. Who is receiving the action? Fly. Is anybody receiving the action?
no.
Then why do you say it's a transitive? Is it transitive or intransitive?
Intransitive.
Did you understand? If you understand, then answer the second one. Let me test whether you do it correctly or not.
Maricon want about.
Hmm.
Transitive, ma'am.
Yes. Someone is winning. The winning title is going to that. Yeah. Pranavi, third one.
Yes, ma'am. A light was shining. Intransitive, ma'am.
Very good. Gagan Sai, next one.
Ma'am.
Fourth one.
Okay. I love my dog. Sensitive, ma'am.
How? Dog is receiving the my love. Okay. I means I, right? Sharwani, fifth one.
Yes, ma'am. Please speak softly. Intransitive, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Tarvit, sixth one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The minister boarded the aircraft.
Hmm.
Ma'am, it is intransitive, ma'am.
Wrong. Anurag.
Transitive, ma'am.
Ma'am, transitive.
Yeah. Can you explain why? Who is receiving the action?
Ma'am. Ma'am, because it's boarding, ma'am. That's why.
What it's boarding?
Boarding the aircraft.
Yeah. Who is receiving the action here? Someone is boarding.
Minister, ma'am.
No.
Minister.
Minister is boarding, receiving the action.
Aircraft.
Karthik, seventh one. Charvit, is it clear?
Yes.
1 second, Karthik. Charvit, is your doubt clear?
Ma'am, my doubt is clear, ma'am.
Yes. Karthik.
Seventh one. She sang beautifully. Ma'am, intransitive.
Yeah. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am. Mona loves mangoes. Ma'am, transitive.
Yes. Sohan Sai.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am? Nitish.
Nitish, will you please wait? Sohan Sai.
Ma'am. Ma'am, open the window.
Hmm.
Ma'am, intransitive.
No, transitive. Window is facing the action, right? Opening.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Nitish, next one.
The sun was setting. Ma'am,
Ah.
transitive.
Intransitive. Not transitive.
Intransitive. Ma'am, intransitive.
Yes. Dheeraj Reddy.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I can help, ma'am.
Dheeraj Reddy.
Ma'am, he left the gift on the table. Ma'am, transitive.
Yeah. Who is receiving the action?
Ma'am, the table.
Very good. Ritvika, 12th one.
Yes, ma'am. They sang the national anthem. Ma'am, transitive, ma'am.
Yes. Satvik, 13th one.
Yes, ma'am. She set the chair next to the bed. Transitive, ma'am.
Very good. Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am. The man grabbed the bag from the old lady. Transitive, ma'am.
Aryan, 15th.
Grandpa laughed out loud. Ma'am, transitive?
Intransitive.
Okay, ma'am.
Manasari, 16th.
Yes, ma'am.
The receptions gave
Receptionist. Who is a receptionist, Nanasai? Whenever you enter office, you see a first counter, one lady will be sitting. She say, what do you want? Can I help you? That is a receptionist counter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. The receptionist gave the room key to the guest. Ma'am, transitive.
Yeah. The person who sits there is receptionist. That counter is called reception counter. When you go to a restaurant, there is a reception counter. They give the keys, they take your address, everything. Did you ever face that?
Ma'am, in hotel. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in 5-star
Make,
hotel, ma'am.
yeah, make 2 sentences with these verbs showing the transitive and intransitive use of each verb. Okay, we will do one. The rest you will do later. I will forward because we need to finish the next lesson as well. Okay, the first sentence is this pilot flies almost any aircraft. So this is transitive because the flies verb is faced by aircraft. This is the object. Birds fly. There is no object here. Similarly, can anyone try using sing Venkatesh? Otherwise, it's slightly difficult. I will give you directly. Let other things I will forward in the
Ma'am?
WhatsApp. I will give for one.
Ma'am, I will sing a song.
Can I say?
Yeah, try.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
He sang.
He sang.
He sang with a beautiful voice.
Simple, without intransitive.
He sang.
Ma'am, after each sentence, we should keep bracket and write T, ma'am.
Yeah, T and I you can write. Next, come to simple present tense. Quick.
When the tone breaks, stop.
Did you copy? You memorize and write without seeing. Okay. He sang a beautiful song. He sang beautifully. Yeah, simple present tense. Can anybody tell me what are simple present tense? The actions that it happen. We already discussed about this. The sentences in the
And the
simple
actions
present.
that happen every day.
Yeah, as a habit, again and again, every day. It's a habit, okay, or a daily event or a routine. Okay, what is your routine, for example, for this daily
online
attending?
classes.
Yes, almost for every student, its daily routine is attending online classes in the morning. Okay. Venkatesh, read the first sentence. Take the sentences that are in simple present. So read the sentence and see whether it's an habit, routine, or a daily event or not. If it is only one-time event, it is not simple present tense. Only if it is a routine event, that is a simple present tense. Come on, read the first sentence and tell me.
Ma'am, Kiran and I are
Not
best
Kiran.
friends.
It is not Kiran. See properly and read.
Ma'am?
It is not Kiran, it is Karan.
Karan and I are best friends.
Yeah, it's a habit, routine, daily event. Yeah.
Ma'am?
Is it a habit, routine event, daily event, or one-time event, being best friends?
Ma'am, habit daily event, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Who didn't get chance? Navatej, second sentence. Navatej.
Dhruv and yes, ma'am, I'm reading. Dhruv and Sheila are going to the book fair tomorrow.
Yeah. Is it a routine event or one-time event?
Ma'am, one-time event.
Very good. Bhuvasha, third. Read quick.
Ma'am, Manas also didn't get chance, ma'am.
I know.
Ma'am, you have to correct and ma'am, you have to tick and which is not simple
cross.
present tense, we have to put wrong, ma'am.
Cross. Yeah. Bhuvasha, third one. Everybody will get chance. I remember the names. Bhuvasha. Lasya.
Yes, ma'am. Aprita came home last evening.
Arpita.
Arpita came home last evening. Ma'am, it's not simple present tense, ma'am.
Yeah, it's a one-time event. Varshit,
Yes,
fourth. Pragnesh, fourth.
Yes, ma'am. Tirupati played very
Not
well.
Tirupati, it is Tripti.
Tripiti. Tammu.
Pragnesh Reddy, you're wasting time.
Yes, ma'am. Tirupati played very well at the school basketball match. Ma'am, it's a one-time event.
Very good. Kamar, Jessica.
Yes, ma'am.
Read fifth one.
Ayush is practicing his music. Ma'am, it is not simple present tense.
Yeah, it's a one-time event. Manas, last one.
Yes, ma'am. Aditi goes for guitar lesson twice every week. Ma'am, it is habit, ma'am.
Yeah, it's a simple present tense. Okay, who are absent today? 28. 3 are absent. Who are absent, ma'am? Ritvika, Pragnesh, Vaishnu. Katesh is present. 3 people absent.
Ma'am, Santosh didn't came, ma'am, today.
Kathy.
Ma'am,
Kathy,
Santosh didn't came, ma'am. Santosh.
Santosh. And one more?
Ma'am,
Rebecca.
Rebecca. Okay, let's go to the next part. Please, all of you mute.
Yes.
If you are talking, please mute and talk. I don't mind if you talk to your parents or others. Okay, so we use simple present tense. I just explained that is matter of habit. For example, he now wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. It's a habit. So it comes under simple present tense. Nitish, please concentrate. To express actions done repeatedly, that is, they play football in the park every day. I go by cycle to school every day, like that. And it is a state of facts, or you know what is fact? That is, the earth revolves around the sun. That's a fact. Similarly, to state facts, or what is known to be true or universal to everybody. A snake has no eyelids. To give instructions or to make requests. That is, put your things away neatly. That's an instruction. Obey your teacher. That's an instruction. And even for the requests, that also come under simple present tense. Now observe these tables, how the object changes to the verbs in different types of sentences. Do you all remember declarative sentence, negative sentences,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's do the exercises and then come back to the table whenever it is required. Okay. So fill in the blanks with the simple present tense form of the verbs given in the brackets. who didn't get chance?
Ma'am, Abhinash didn't got a
Yeah.
chance.
Abhinashri, tell me. Quick.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Abhinashri, read.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I dash in class 5. Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer.
I dash in class
No need to
5.
tell dash. Directly tell the answer. Why you want to waste time? Fill in the blanks, Abhinay. Huh? Bhagavat, can you fill the answer? Fill the blank.
I am studying, ma'am.
No, I'm not asking the present continuous tense. Simple present tense.
Ma'am, I have studied.
No have, no need, no need of that. Just simple present tense.
Ma'am, I studied in
Studied.
Studied again is past tense. See here. Who am I asking past tense? See here. It's a what type of sentence? It's a fact, isn't it? I do.
Ma'am, I study in class 5, ma'am.
It's a fact. Fact is declarative sentence, isn't it? So for sing, for
Yes.
I, study means sing means sing. Study is also. See here in the table. For the declarative sentence, when in the subject
Study.
I comes,
Studied also studied.
the word doesn't change. Sing means sing.
Study.
Study means study. Okay, play means play. Charvani, are you understanding? Will you stop playing? Okay, Anurag, read second
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I played football
No,
every
past tense, ma,
Saturday.
you are not understanding. It is simple present tense. It is not present
Ma'am,
tense.
I play
No.
football.
Play, ma'am.
Others should not, when I am discussing with somebody, others should not interfere. Others should not give the answer. I am making it very, very clear. I asked Anurag, so he didn't understand something. I am explaining to him. You please listen to me. Anurag, when the subject is I, okay, it's also declarative. I am going to play every day. So what will be the verb? Sing, sing, play, play, study, study. So it won't change.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me what is the correct one.
I play football every Saturday.
That's it. Okay. Now Aryan, third sentence.
Okay, ma'am. My mother
Yes.
drinks coffee only in
Drink
the
or
morning.
drinks? Drink or drinks?
Drink, ma'am.
No, drinks. See, if you are talking about somebody else, say this. Molly, my mother, Molly. Okay, we are talking about some other person. Okay, Molly sings. My mother drinks. The verb will be S form. Okay, are you seeing this table?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And Nitish,
Yes, ma'am. I hope Dad cooks.
same. Cook or cooks?
Cooks, ma'am.
Very good. Because we are talking about some person. Just like Bhagavat, will you see in the screen? Are you writing? You are supposed to write. I see a pencil in your hand. What is this, Bhagavat? Why are you sitting here? We are learning, we are writing, we are understanding. Please do that procedure. Okay. Gagan, next sentence. Gagan. Satvik.
Yes, ma'am. I hope Dad.
That is over. Fifth one. Where are you?
Okay,
Please
ma'am.
pay attention.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Yeah. Again, it's a declarative sentence. When I is there, the verb does not change its tense. Sohan Sai. Sixth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I dash out of bed by 6:30
I
a.m.
told you not
I
to dash. Directly tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am. I get out of bed
Yeah.
from
So no change in the verb because subject is I. Pranavi.
telling me.
Pranavi, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, even fourth one have I right, ma'am.
Huh?
Even fourth one also it have I right, ma'am.
I'm not understanding what you're trying to say. Read sixth sentence, seventh sentence.
Ma'am, she is asking even.
Ma'am.
I know, ma'am.
But we are talking about dad right here. We are talking about some other person.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read seventh one.
Yes, ma'am. I often wear my mother's slippers.
No change in the tense. Vaishnavi. Eighth one.
Yes, ma'am. It never snows in Delhi.
Very good. Because when it the object is it, he or she, it is the S form. That is snow, snows. Jessica. Navatej.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Ninth one. If somebody says eighth one, obviously it's your chance to read ninth one.
Miss Jones teaches us English.
Teach.
Teachers, ma'am.
See here. Other person. Object is someone. The subject is other person.
Ma'am, teachers.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you fill the sentences, Venkatesh? Use the words given in the box to complete this conversation in the simple present tense. Some words can be repeated. Yeah. Venkatesh.
Ma'am.
Ajay.
Ma'am. Ajay dash at the bat on the tree.
That bat. It's not at the. At that bat.
On that bat.
This is English language. Even if in science or math, if you don't pronounce or if you overlook, it doesn't matter. But when you are reading English, when the subject is English, each and every letter is very, very important.
Okay, ma'am. Ajay dash at that bag on the tree.
Yeah, select the
It
best
dash.
word.
Ma'am.
Dash, I don't need dashes. Select the word first. Try to use one.
Flying
word.
at the.
No, wrong.
Looking at the ma'am. Look.
Who said look? Who said look other than Venkatesh?
Abhinaya.
Abhinaya. See, from next time onwards, if when I'm talking to somebody, if somebody else answers, they will lose the chance for the entire day. Yeah, at least Venkatesh, try to tell the next one. Look at that bat on the tree.
Ma'am, look or looks, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Nainasai, can you try?
Ma'am, it scheme like it is hanging.
It?
Scheme.
There is no scheme word here.
Ma'am, can I say Naina?
Yeah.
It seems like.
Very good. It seems he is not talking about the Venkatesh. He's not talking about the regular cricket bat. He's talking about the bat. The bird bat. Okay.
Ma'am, Ajay looks or look, ma'am.
Look at the bat on the tree. It seems like it is hanging
Okay, ma'am.
upside down. Yeah, Ritvika. Yes, bats.
Ma'am,
Yes, bats.
dash. Look at the bat.
I told you no dashes, please. Tell the answer. I'm not interested in dash. Yes,
Look at
bats.
the bat on the tree.
That's already done. You have to read the second sentence. You have to fill the second sentence.
Yes, bats look like that.
Not look like that. They sleep upside down. Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bats sleep like that. Nitish, third sentence. Nitish, you need to unmute when you talk. Nitish, unmute. I don't know whether he does this wantedly or just now 5 minutes back he talked, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am is not reading also, ma'am.
That's what. Dheeraj, third one.
Not also reading, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Third one. All others remain silent. Third one.
Yes, ma'am. Do they be during the day?
No, do they sleep during the day? Ashit Virat. Fourth one. Yes. They
Sleep during the day and be active at night.
and there is no word they.
And be, ma'am.
And be active at night. Very good. Yeah. Vaishnavi, fifth sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the third dash and fourth dash answers, ma'am?
Who is asking?
Ma'am, Sharwani, ma'am.
Sharwani, when I was saying that, what were you doing? When I was saying what you were doing.
Ma'am, my call was disconnected because of the
Okay, I'll forward it and tell. Please don't waste time. Yeah, continue, Vaishnavi.
Ma'am.
Dash, a bat, a bird.
Looks a bird.
Is bat a bird? Okay, and no, it is the only flying mammal. But he didn't give any easier.
Yes, ma'am.
But any other word?
Ma'am, but he gave flying, ma'am.
Yeah, fly we didn't use.
Ma'am,
Okay, any other forward you please check. Yeah, use simple.
Ma'am, that fifth sentence can come is a bat a bird, ma'am?
It is the only flying mammal and is a bat a bird. Both are is. Okay, use the simple present tense of the verbs to make questions with this group of words. Okay. Abhinaya, use these 3 words and make a question.
Okay, ma'am. Use the simple.
Already read. Why do you want to read again? Make a sentence. Make a question with use.
Where do you live?
Huh?
Where do you live?
Perfect. Pranavi, second.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, side of it we have to write, ma'am.
No, just write between where and you, write do. Okay, Pranavi, use do or does. All of you, remember, use do or does for making these questions. Yeah, this meeting is not ending. Let's end 9:40. Okay, let's continue.
When do the baby sleep?
Where?
When do the baby sleep?
No. When does the baby sleep? Okay, anyway, we'll come back to this. Please quit.
Bye, ma'am.
When will the baby start, ma'am?
Oh, only do and does we need